Hey friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chidima and today I'll be sharing this quick and easy buns recipe. So please sit back and enjoy. First, I'll combine all my dry ingredients together. For this recipe, we have flour, baking powder, nutmeg, salt, powdered milk and margarine. If you do not like nutmeg, you can use cinnamon instead or even vanilla flavor. I know margarine is not necessarily a dry ingredient, but for this recipe, we'll be adding it to our flour mixture just like you would if you were making chin chin. You want to mix that until everything is thoroughly combined, then you set that aside. Now I'm going to combine the wet ingredients, which is just eggs, sugar and water. Then I'll mix that so that the sugar can dissolve a bit before adding it to the dry ingredients. Pour your wet mixture into the flour and mix with washed hands. I must warn you, it really gets messy, so you can use a glove if you like. You don't want to overmix your batter because it will result to a strong and chewy buns as opposed to the soft and crunchy texture we want. So just mix and stop once everything is combined. A lot of people don't like to fry buns and puff puff because they find it difficult to get the round shape, but I'll show you how I do it in this video. Scoop the batter on your palm. Now make a loose fist, flip your hand and then press your index finger towards your thumb to cut. Let's do that again. Now let's learn the 4 magic words. Scoop, loose fist, flip and pinch. Easy, right? Now cover that with a cling film wrap and let it rest while you heat up some oil in a pot or a frying pan. To check if your oil is ready, use a thermometer, but if you don't have that, then drop a small amount of butter into the oil and it should float within seconds. Now that the oil is ready, let's proceed to frying. You can see how everything is floating and frying so beautifully. Just flip that from time to time so that everything can fry evenly. If you're enjoying this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up and also drop a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. When dropping your batter into the hot oil, you want to be fast about it so that everything fries evenly. If you're too slow, you will have some that are cooked and some that are still raw, and you don't want that. Now this is how you make the perfect Nigerian buns. It's soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. I listed the full recipe in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I'm pairing mine with this chilled glass of zobo that is packed loaded with a variety of fruits. If you want to know how I made this, then subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodies always from Chidi.